Hi, I'm Sierra, and as Daniel said, today we'll be discussing the most effective ways to plan a trip utilizing your time and your calendar in order to maximize your vacation. Today, I'm going to be going over planning your trips around certain times of the year, especially really busy times such as the holidays, how you can buy your ticket, and comparing and contrasting regular airline sites and comparative travel sites such as Travelocity or Expedia in order to purchase your tickets. The first thing you want to do when you're planning your trip is considering the dates you want to travel, especially if you're going to travel around the holidays. According to Orbitz, the travel site, there are three really busy times to travel during the year, and that's Thanksgiving, Christmas, and New Year's. And if you're going to buy tickets for these three holidays, doing it in the month of October would be your best bet to get your cheapest tickets. And this proves that if you're going to travel, you should really plan your trip months in advance in order to get the best price on tickets. Of course, you can travel during regular times of the year as well that aren't so busy. And according to Hopper and frequent flyers, there are better and worse days of the week to buy your ticket and also to fly. They say that on Tuesday and Wednesday, those are the best days of the week to fly and to buy your ticket, and that's because they're going to be the least busy and also the least expensive, comparing to the worst times to travel and buy your ticket, which is of course on the weekends, because that's when most people are doing their traveling. There are two things that you can do in order to help maximize buying your tickets, and that's using apps like Hopper and Skyscanner. And what you do is you download these apps and you put the dates of your travel into them, and they'll tell you the best time of the year to buy your tickets when they should be the least expensive. The next thing we're going to go over is how you can buy your ticket. There are multiple different ways you can buy your ticket. You can go online through the airline itself, like if you want to use United Airlines or American Airlines, and you can also purchase a travel card through any of these airlines. So if you want to use Delta, you can get a travel card through Delta, and you buy all of your stuff and all of your tickets through this credit card. And then sometimes you'll get benefits back, and you might even get something like a free flight one day. So a lot of people use travel cards for that reason. Or also you can use a comparative travel site like Expedia, and in a moment I'm going to be going over Expedia for you. So when you go to a site like Expedia, you're going to go onto their website and you're going to put in some basic information about yourself. So you're going to put which airports you're traveling into and out of, the dates of your travel, how many flyers they're going to be there, and if you want a round trip ticket or if you want a one-way ticket. And then you're going to click enter, and a page like this is going to pop up for you. And on the left-hand side, you can set your preferences. So you can put price lowest to highest, or you can set which airlines you'd like to look at, or you can also put the dates and the times that you want to travel. So if you want to leave really early in the morning, or if you want to leave really late in the day, and that's one of the things that I usually utilize when I use Expedia. And then you press enter, and all of your tickets are going to come up like you see on this page. So people always ask, what is the benefit of using a site like Expedia over the benefit of using just a regular airline such as Delta or United? So with most things, everything comes with a price, and price normally correlates with the quality that you're going to get. So on sites like Expedia, you'll probably find your cheapest tickets here. But why is that? Sometimes there will be baggage restrictions. You might not be able to set your seat preferences. They have a lot of red-eye flights and overnight flights. And also there might be multiple layovers. So if you want to have comfort and if you want to have convenience, then you might want to use the airline itself so that you can get your seats and you can have direct flights if you want them and everything like that. But if you're just looking for the cheapest tickets, which I usually do, then Expedia or Travelocity is the best bet and the best way to go. Now that we've discussed how to use time in order to buy your tickets and plan your travel, let's hear from Brianna about how time can be used in order to purchase your hotels and your rental cars.